Hello my reading friends, it's Jinghui. Our friend Sally is a songbird, but she has lost her song. Do you think she will find her song? Let's find out in our story today, Sally the Songbird. If you have a copy, go get it and read along with me. Sally the Songbird by Miss Clare. Sally the Songbird has lost her song. She is sad and feeling low. Then she spots a farm on a distant hill and flies over to say hello. Which animal does Sally meet? A pig? That's right. Sally sees a pig splashing in the mud. Hello, pig, says Sally. Hello, pretty bird, says the pig. I have lost my song. Can you help me? I'll try. Does it sound like this? Let's make the sound together. Thank you, but no, that's not my song. It sounds all wrong. Can you tell me where is the dog? That's right, the dog is here. Sally sees a dog playing in the field. Hello, dog, says Sally. Woof, woof. Hello, pretty bird, says the dog. I have lost my song. Can you help me? I'll try. Does it sound like this? Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Let's make the sound together. 3, 2, 1. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Thank you, but no, that's not my song. It sounds all wrong. How many animals are there in the picture? 1 and 2. How do we call them? Sally? Yeah, Sally is there. How about another? A little mouse. Can you tell me where's the little mouse? The mouse is in the barn. In the barn, Sally sees a mouse. Hello, little mouse, says Sally. Hello, pretty bird, says the mouse. I've lost my song. Can you help me? I'll try. Does it sound like this? Squeak, 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 squeak. Again, let's make the sound together. Squeak, 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 squeak. Is this Sally's song? No. Thank you, but no, that's not my song. It sounds all wrong. Sally flies to the garden and she sees a cat. Do you like cat? Have you heard of their sound before? Hello, cat, says Sally. Meow. Hello, pretty bird, says the cat. I've lost my song. Can you help me? I'll try. Does it sound like this? Meow, 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 meow. Can we repeat the sound together? Meow, 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 meow. Oh, thank you, but no, that's not my song. It sounds all wrong. In the next field, Sally sees a sheep. Hello, fluffy sheep, says Sally. Hello, pretty bird, says the sheep. I have lost my song. Can you help me? I will try. Does it sound like this? Ba, 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 ba. Thank you, but no, that's not my song. It sounds all wrong. Wow, do you see a horse there? Can you point it for me? A horse tries to help. Neigh, neigh. A cow shows her hole. Moo, moo. Sally the songbird has lost her song. Sally starts to cry. Then she spots a bird who looks just like her, flying towards her in the sky. Sally the songbird has found her song, and she's made so many friends. Sally is happy. She's singing her song, and her new bird friend sings along. Do you still remember which animals did Sally meet? A horse, a cow, a pig, a sheep, a dog, and a cat. How about their sounds? Do you remember what does the pig sound like? Finally, Sally found her song and sang happily. She also made herself a lot of friends. How about you? Do you have any good friends at school? I hope you enjoyed our story today. Thank you for reading with me. See you next time. Bye.